Dosa Appe is a delicious South Indian-inspired dish that combines the flavors of dosa in a bite-sized, snackable form. Made using dosa batter, these small, round dumplings are cooked in an appe pan, which gives them a crisp and fluffy texture. The batter is often enhanced with ingredients like chopped onions, green chilies, curry leaves, grated carrots, or spices for added flavor. They are cooked with minimal oil, making them a healthier option. These bite-sized crispy and fluffy delights are perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even as party appetizers. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Masala Dosa Appe. For potato filling, take 3 tablespoons oil. Heat up the oil. Half teaspoon yellow split chickpeas. Roast well. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait till it starts spluttering. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. 10 to 12 curry leaves. 2 pinches of asafoetida. Quarter teaspoon crushed fennel seeds. Half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Roast for a minute or until the rawness goes away. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Half teaspoon chili powder. Quarter teaspoon cumin powder. Quarter teaspoon chili flakes. Quarter teaspoon coriander powder. Quarter teaspoon dried mango powder. Sauté well. Add salt to taste. 2 green chilies chopped. 2 small onions finely chopped. Sauté well. 1 chopped tomato. Quarter cup frozen green peas. Add some water. Mix well. Cover and cook 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. 2 tablespoons coriander leaves. Mix well. Add 3 boiled mashed potatoes. Combine well. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. Potato stuffing is ready. Let it cool down completely. Now let's make appe. Grease your palms with oil. Take some portion of potato filling. Make balls as shown. Make more balls. Repeat the same procedure to make more. Or you can put small spoonful stuffing directly. Heat up the pan. Grease appam pan with some oil. Spread the oil with the help of a brush. Pour dosa batter in appam pan. Place potato balls. Dosa batter pouring clip is missing. Flip with the help of a skewer and cook from both sides until it's light golden brown. Keep flipping and keep cooking. Our delicious dosa appe is done. It will come out easily. Keep aside and make more. Repeat the same procedure for another batch. Pour some dosa batter into a greased pan. Top the dosa batter with spoonful of potato stuffing. Again, pour spoonful of dosa batter on top of the stuffing to cover. Allow the appe to cook 6 to 7 minutes on low to medium flame before flipping. Cook from another sides too. Spray some more oil. Cook from both sides. Keep flipping and keep cooking until light golden brown. Our batch 2 is ready to enjoy. Remove it. Our delicious dosa appe is done. It will come out easily. Serve hot. Dish out. It's time to plate. Place mini bite-sized dosa appe on the plate. Sprinkle some chili powder, optional. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Dosa Appe is typically served with coconut chutney or sambar. It's loved for its convenience and the perfect balance of taste and texture. Enjoy with your favorite chutneys or sambar. Perfect bite-sized pieces. These bite-sized crispy and fluffy delights are perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even as party appetizers. Do try and enjoy. Every single piece is stuffed well. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Dosa Appe is a delightful South Indian snack made by transforming dosa batter into small round and bite-sized balls using an appam pan. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.